Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today. And before we get into this real quick unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Real quick, let's get into this. As y'all can see, y'all know that tape. But yeah, getting this shoe actually helped me get into this little, it wasn't even a surprise drop. It was a surprise drop, a surprise restock. Congratulations on being the owner of the Air Jordan 1 Retro, you know, whatever. And if you seen my pickup video when I got these, you would know that yes, I did get a double up on these joints right here. Yes, real cool. Got a little quality control right there, but like I said, this right here definitely is one of the best Jordan 1s to release this year, quality wise and everything. As you can see, definitely one of the best Jordan 1s to release this year. I haven't laced my other pair up yet, but yeah, one is staying completely DS, factory laced and everything, and the other one will be completely laced up, one red, one black. I don't know why I just have to do my Jordan 1s like that. Like, I don't know, I just have to do it. But real quick look, I know y'all already seen this probably a million times. Real tumble on the swoosh, all black swoosh, real good premium nubuck right here on the flap. As you know, this flap has his stats from his rookie year. This flap has the speech he said when he won the rookie of the year. Quick Nike swoosh right there. Regular. Real tumble on the toe box. Real good premium nubuck. Tumble on the other side, medial side, swooshes tumble, panels tumble. Real good premium nubuck. Like I said in my other video, even the upper heel collar is real nice, soft and plush and tumble looking. Black wing, black Jordan wing. And yeah, man, all black. Also, you have that Nike with the swoosh right there. Insole of the shoe. That Harvest, that gold Harvest insole with the Nike Air and the insole. These are a size 9. Like the people in line, when I told everybody in line that I hit on the sneakers app, they was like, oh, are you getting out of line now? I was like, no. Because personally, I know how, you know, like, I've been, like, tricked out of stuff like that. Like, you would hit, like, on, like, I hit the Pine Greens on East Bay. Then I'm like, okay, I'm good. I relax. I chill. I didn't do no footwork. I chill, relax, didn't do nothing. Then, like, a day or so later, they emailed me saying they overbooked or overpurchased the shoes, so here's my money back. And I have yet to get the Pine Greens since. So, you know, but anyways, man, double up on these rookie of the years. Like I said, I know they've been stealing a lot of Virgil. You know, Virgil Abloh swag, you know, with the flap going on right there. But or you can say they took these from the Dunks before Virgil even came. So, you know, but anyways, man, double up, quick double up video. Let me know if y'all copped. If y'all didn't cop, why not? Was it too much heat coming out for you to cop these? These right here are completely dope. in my opinion. And like I said before, hit that. Don't forget, like the video if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.